Welcome to the D&D Gardening Channel. Here's your host, Dee.
Hello and welcome. This is Dee from D&D Gardening, and today I am going to make my version of Superjuice, which is a natural fertilizer made from leaves from my own garden and some compost and water. That's it. I think it is what they call Superjuice, but this is my version of it. So if you would like to see how I make it, stay tuned. Okay, what I am doing is, these are leaves that I had taken off of my plants yesterday. And what you're going to need is a bucket, better with a lid, but I don't have a lid, so I'm going to cover it with something. Some leaves and compost. That's it. Oh, and of course some water. Non-chlorine water. Some rainwater would be better. I don't have any rainwater, so I'm going to have to use what I have, which is tap water from my outside spigot. So I am going to cut these leaves up because the smaller they are, the better, the faster they break down. I'll say it like that. So I've already started. I feel like I'm chopping greens. But I've already started, so I'm going to finish these and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've got my compost in here. I've got my empty bucket. Well, it's dirty, but it's an empty bucket. I'm just going to set it right there. I've cut up leaves. And I also bought some, and I know this looks absolutely gross, but some eggshells that I grounded into powder and some banana peels that I had chopped up in my food processor. So I'll be adding that to this as well. Hang on, it's getting a little warm out here. So I'm gonna take this jacket off. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to take some leaves. So we're gonna take some leaves. We're gonna take some of this, the banana peels and eggshells, and we're gonna take Okay, my apologies. It happens almost every freaking time, but I still wanted you to see the process. So it is a layer of greens, which are your leaves, and then I added the banana peels and powdered eggshells, and then compost. And you continue doing that until you reach half of the bucket. Then you fill the bucket with water. Then you stir it up, pushing down the leaves and everything to make sure that they're all underwater, and then you cover it, not tightly. It needs to be able to breathe. So I don't know where the lid of that bucket is, if I ever had one, so I just put a grow bag, a big one, over the top of it. And you know, they breathe, so that's on top of it. And I put the little stir stick on top of it to help hold it down. I'm going to take you off of the tripod, walk back over there so you can see what it looks like on the inside. It is not a pretty sight, and it is going to smell. I'm just going to warn you, that's why I put it way back there, because it is going to smell. But when it's time to use it, you're going to dilute it, or dilute it. Dilute, potato, tomato, however you pronounce it. And when you dilute it, it is not going to smell. So I'm going to take you off the tripod, walk you back there, let you see what it looks like, and then you let it sit for 7 days, and then it's ready to use. Your own homemade fertilizer. Save yourself some money. So hang on, I'm going to take you off and we're going to take a walk to the back of the garden. Okay, this is the wrong way, the bucket that has the ingredients in it. My little stir stick and my grow bag that I put on top. Now, that is what it looks like on the inside. Yummy looking, isn't it? Looks like a big old mud pie. I probably need to add some more water to it, but I'll come out here and occasionally stir it to make sure that everything stays down, and that should do it. Let me zoom out so you can see. I don't think I'm going to be able to stir and hold the camera, but you push it all down, make sure everything is covered. There we go. Get down in there. Alrighty, so everything's covered by the goop, and I'm putting that back on top of it. Little sticks just laying on top, and that's it. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you were able to get something out of today's video, hopefully. So if this is your first time or your 5th time visiting our channel, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell to be reminded of whenever we upload a video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. And until the next video, take care. Bye.